Hi, my name is Magdia Claudius. I'm the Department Chair of Physical and Applied Sciences. The Department of Physical and Applied Sciences has 3 programs: Chemistry, Occupational Safety and Health, and Physics. The Chemistry program is chaired by Dr. Anton Dubrovskiy, and it offers an MS degree, a BS, and a BA degree in chemistry. The faculty of the chemistry program includes Dr. Jack Liu, Dr. Daniel Wang, Dr. Alex McDermott, Dr. Yi Su, and Dr. Natalia Markina.
Hello everyone. Our chemistry program is located on the 3rd floor of the STEM building. New facilities, new labs, spacious, both teaching and research. We offer 3 kinds of undergraduate degrees: Bachelor of Sciences, Bachelor of Arts, and minor in chemistry. BS degree in chemistry is for those who love chemistry and nothing but chemistry. It's rich in chemistry classes and has been accredited by a very prestigious chemistry organization, American Chemical Society. BA degree keeps essential chemistry classes but offers a lot of flexibility, up to 19 hours of non-chemistry electives. So if you want to go to medical, pharmacy, or dental schools, you can either be a BS in chemistry and a minor in biology, or you can do a BA in chemistry and get both the chemistry classes along with biology prereqs as a part of just one degree. By the way, chemistry majors have one of the highest acceptance rates into medical and dental schools, as chemistry coursework is so much focused on developing critical thinking skills. And finally, if your main focus of study is not chemistry, but you would love to get some extra chemistry coursework, you can get a minor in chemistry by taking 8 of required and 9 of elective chemistry courses. If you are pursuing a chemistry degree, you will get the opportunity to do research with one of our program faculty. Each one of the 6 faculty members has a doctorate, which means that all of us have had extensive research experience. Our labs have some of the newest equipment available, and we train students on how to operate it on their own so that when they graduate, they can easily find jobs. Houston is one of the best places in the United States to find chemistry jobs, and our graduates, having solid theoretical and practical knowledge, research experience, they generally have no problem finding jobs upon graduation. Yes, chemistry is a difficult major, but it is at the same time central to our civilization, to our progress in pretty much every aspect of our lives, from oil and gas to drug design, to cosmetics and forensic science, polymers, energy storage, you name it. We welcome you, whether you loved chemistry in high school or hated it, whether you took it last year or a decade ago. Visit our website. Please stop by and talk to our faculty and to our students. Best wishes.
The Occupational Safety and Health program has an MS and a BS degree program. The MS has 4 sub-plans. These include Safety, IH, and an online Occupational Safety and Health, and a new Process Safety Management degree. We also have a BS degree in Safety and a BS in IH, and both are accredited by ABET. And it's also worthy to note that we are the only program in the nation that offers both Safety and IH that are both accredited by ABET.
Hi, I'm Bob Phalen. I'm an associate professor and also program chair of the Occupational Safety and Health program here at University of Houston Clear Lake. 3 things really set us apart from any other programs in this area. First, both our bachelor's programs in industrial hygiene and safety are ABET accredited. They're both recognized as qualified academic programs by the Board of Certified Safety Professionals, meaning our graduates are eligible for the designation Graduate Safety Practitioner and can then sit for the Certified Safety Professionals Board Certification exam with relevant experience in the field. The CSP is a pinnacle of the safety field as far as board certifications go. We're also board approved by the Institute of Hazardous Materials Management, and our students are eligible for the Associate Safety and Health manager designation, and with relevant experience can sit for the Certified Safety and Health Manager certification. Second, we have dedicated faculty with years of experience in industry and in the field, and most holding multiple board certifications in the areas of industrial hygiene, safety, ergonomics, and safety management. Third, we have strong connections with the community. That includes employers and agencies that may also employ our graduates. We have strong connections with professional associations at both the local and national level. We have a student group that works with these associations. And lastly, we have strong connections with our alumni. Many of them are in management positions, and some of them may actually hire our graduates or seek our graduates. We hope you consider our program. It's a rigorous ABET accredited program on both sides for industrial hygiene and safety. We enjoy it. We enjoy preparing our students for success and giving them the skills that will carry their careers forward.
Hi, my name is Brandon RUEBSAMEN. I'm an EHS manager for Abbott Neuromodulation here in Plano, Texas. And my journey to UHCL really started when I left the military. So I had the ultimate goal of wanting to become a certified industrial hygienist. And so I wanted to go through an excellent program, did some research, determined I wanted to go to a school that had an ABET accredited program. So they make you take the hard classes, they make you go through the rough stuff. And so I ended up, the only one in Texas is University of Houston Clear Lake. So my wife and I packed up the truck, moved to Houston sight unseen, rented a nice little house on the south side of town, and that's where we ended up. So, the time I spent in Houston was great. The city was amazing. We started our family there. Friendly folks, folks that rally around their town. And you don't see that in other places in Texas. The university itself, beautiful campus. Just driving onto campus every day was enough to get me in the zone and ready to do the day's work. The professors were excellent. The professors have been through it, and it comes out in the coursework. They have real world examples. They've been there on the front lines. Professor Phalen, Dr. Claudios, excellent mentors. As well as professors. Had opportunities to work with professional organizations, had a trip to Washington, D.C., had a trip to Oklahoma, and it really set the stage for me to then, and gave me the confidence to come out as a professional as soon as I left the program. I passed my CIH the first try. They set you up for success. And I couldn't say any more about the program there.
Hi, I'm currently a graduate student at the University of Houston Clear Lake studying occupational health and safety. And something I really enjoyed about my time in the program is spending time with the professors who really are top-notch at their subjects of industrial hygiene and safety. I definitely feel like any individual who's wanting to become a competent professional in the fields of occupational health and safety would have a great time in this program and could benefit a lot.
Hi, my name is Megan Ansari, and I'm a recent graduate of UH Clear Lake. I received my master's in occupational safety and health this past December. Now I'm currently working as a health and safety engineer at LyondellBasell. Without the great opportunities and mentorships from UH Clear Lake, I wouldn't be in this wonderful position that I am now. Join the program, you won't regret it.
Hello, my name is Randy Mendez. I graduated from the University of Houston Clear Lake in December 2019 with my bachelor's in occupational safety and health with a specialization in industrial hygiene. I'm currently the safety coordinator lead for Greif Incorporated in LaPorte, and I can't speak highly enough about the program at UHCL. The connections I developed, the friendships I've made, I wouldn't be where I am today without them. but one of my biggest takeaways from the program is how it prepares you to be a leader in our field. The program at UHCL really puts a strong emphasis on speaking to our knowledge, speaking to a team, collaborating and coordinating with others. And I do that every day, and I am so thankful that we did that so often in all of our classes. And it really helped prepare me for the actual real world scenarios I find myself in. So I just want to thank the professors at University of Clear Lake, and say, just for anyone who's interested in the program, you're in for a great ride, and I can't speak on it highly enough, like I said. So hope you enjoy.
We also have the physics program, which is chaired by Dr. Paul WITHEY, and we have a PG collaborative program with U of H main campus, and we have an MS degree and a BS degree in physics. The faculty of the program include Dr. David Garrison, Dr. Samina Masood, Dr. Eric Mays, and Walter Thompson.
Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Withy, Chair of the Physics Program here at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. We offer both bachelor's and master's degrees in physics and are located in a new STEM facility, as you can see behind me. In the field of physics, you'll learn all the basic laws that govern every aspect of the entire physical universe. You'll learn about the fundamental laws of physics behind how equipment and all our modern technology work. And in addition, you'll study the quantum nature of the very small, molecules, atoms, subatomic particles, to the very large, and putting together the pieces of the puzzle in our vast universe, stars, galaxies, the expanding universe, dark matter, and dark energy. Physics is a very versatile degree, with graduates typically finding employment in engineering, computer or information systems, other STEM fields, and even non-STEM areas where solving technical problems is regularly needed. Our graduates have readily found employment in these areas or successfully gained acceptance into a graduate program to continue their education. With our physics bachelor's degree, we have a general degree and specializations in engineering physics and in computational physics. Our general degree has the flexibility to enable you to complete a minor or a second major in another field. For example, several of our students complete a minor in astronomy or double major in both physics and mathematics. But we can assist you in tailoring your degree to include courses in any area of your interest. Biology and chemistry are examples, but even outside the sciences, like psychology or business. In our engineering physics specialization, you'll take extra courses in mechanical engineering, computer engineering, and systems engineering to learn about many of the applied engineering areas. For example, circuits, fluid mechanics, mechanics of materials, and more. It provides a great background for those who would like to work in the engineering field, but also have a deeper understanding of the physics behind the technology they'll use. Our specialization in computational physics focuses on developing the programming skills needed to create computational models, applying your knowledge of physics to simulate and study real physical systems. Computational modeling is being used by industry more and more, where large amounts of data need to be simulated and analyzed. Our master's degree is great for gaining more advanced knowledge in physics, increasing your position in industry, or preparing you to pursue a PhD. We have both thesis and non-thesis options, a professional science master's in technical management, and we have a collaborative PhD with the University of Houston. Our graduates have been successful in gaining employment, applying their physics knowledge, or positioning themselves for promotion in their employment through our technical management specialization, and in acceptance into PhD programs throughout the country. Research areas of the faculty include both theoretical physics areas, such as astroparticle, nuclear, and particle physics, quantum electrodynamics, supersymmetry, string theory, computational areas, such as cosmology and numerical relativity, and experimental areas, such as biochemical and plasma physics, infrared, spectroscopy, material science, and nanocomposites. We're located right next door to NASA Johnson Space Center and surrounded by aerospace and innovative companies you can partner with on research projects and potential future contacts. Thank you for listening, and we trust you will consider a UHCL physics degree to assist in furthering your personal and career goals. So this here is our advanced physics lab at UHCL. This is in our new STEM building, and here students do a number of different types of experiments as well as laboratory work. And some of the equipment that we have, this right here is a scanning electron microscope capable of
looking at things that are very small and determining their chemical composition. And right here we have an atomic force microscope, again, so you can measure the profile of materials and also study their strength a little bit. We get some idea of what the surface of the system looks like. Very good for studying at the nanoscale. Here we have a couple of RF generators, which is being used in our plasma physics research. New vacuum system right here, and we're going to be pumping up that and creating a plasma in that cavity. So that's a student project. And this is our condensed matter physics apparatus, capable of studying cryogenics at low temperature, as well as high vacuum situations and studying materials. So you can see, this is our lab. So you can envision yourself working in here someday if you choose to be a physics major at UHCL. Also behind this curtain, we have the capability of complete blackout, and it's a laser safety curtain, so that we can do laser studies or anything that requires very, very low light. And that's our advanced physics lab. Thank you.
My name is Matthew Teal. I am alumni of the UHCL physics program. I embarked on a physics degree just out of pure interest and passion for natural phenomena, but I also always had the link in the back of my mind that these skill sets would provide many avenues into industry and real life work experiences. So my justification for having a passion in something such as how everything worked on the deepest levels, besides that, I also needed to more realistically think about how I could connect these skills to industry or academia, whichever route that you may go. What I have found, especially with UHCL being a smaller body of students, the benefits of that would be that the staff are very accessible and the class sizes are a bit smaller, and therefore the concentration that you receive from the staff members is much greater. As far as technical skills or management, whether engineering or project management, this degree plan will prepare you for both. It is very heavy in the emphasis of critical thinking, and that is something that I found myself really honing in on. I wanted to more so be able to think critically and think through technical papers. So for instance, I would go online and read a technical paper. The jargon and the math and the terminology would usually be over my head. So something like physics gave me the ability to at least go through a paper enough to ask the right questions. And this is exactly what my goal was. And when I was finished with the program, I found that my goal had been met. And as simple as that might sound, that actually translates to a vast amount of abilities and things that you can connect with in industry, whether it's in a conversation with a potential employer or whether it is thinking critically through how to position yourself in a job, connecting your skill sets to the correct needs of that company at this current time. You're prepared for all of this. The vicinity of the university is within reach of NASA, and many other engineering companies that are in the surrounding area. This gives you access to many individuals in the area who are potentially employers. The professors, to even the student body, have connections to places like Boeing, Jacobs, and NASA, and that means that that network is also accessible to you. I found UHCL a very enriching and positive experience, and if you go in with or without a roadmap, you will have the assistance and the tools needed to carry out any goal. So, thank you.
Hello, my name is Pierre Avila, and I'm a multi-physics computational scientist working for the United States Navy. I'm also a 2016 graduate of the UHCL Master's Physics program, and I personally recommend their program. During my time there, I found the professors to be very attentive to my needs as a student. The relationship they had fostered with the UH main campus physics department allowed me to take several electives with the main campus. Their close proximity in NASA Johnson Space Center allowed me to collaborate with a NASA scientist for a project for the Project Seminar course. I also found it very enjoyable and beneficial to help teach the Physics 1 and 2 laboratory courses, especially with the wide range of equipment they had available. And I took advantage of every spring semester the physics lecture series to network with scientists not only in the Houston area but across the nation in academia, industry, and from government labs. And personally, I met my now wife at UHCL, so I was really grateful to spend my graduate career at UHCL. Thank you.
Staff of the department include our Senior Secretary Maria Rodriguez and our lab technician Teresa McGinnis.